got this power stand pump. This is from a Volvo S80, I think. Don't remember exactly, but so basically this is gonna be my power stand pump now. You can just fill it right here, and it's electronically controlled, so you just have to run power ground and then run it to a switch. So what I did is I kind of like made some brackets, L brackets, some L brackets here that kind of like go down like that. So what I'm going to do now is go and mark these holes, put some rivets in there, and then so we can get this mounted in, and then I can measure up the line from here to the front, and we can get the hydraulic line made. So I'll put you guys down for the time lapse, and then see what we can do.
There's always a choice. Can you help me?
about almost done. As you can see, everything is here. You don't really see that much more wires. Under here, it's not too bad. I kind of tucked up the stock fuse box up there. I still have to kind of like clean up these two wires right here. One is for the flex fuel and the gas gauge. But everything under here looks pretty decent in my eyes. Still have to wrap this up here as well. Like clean it up under the dash, and then that should be it. Only other thing I want to do is wire up a switch to the passenger door. For some reason I can't get it to work, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wire up a switch. I already have that made, and then I want to run the wires to this switch here. So this switch is gonna turn on like the dome lights and like accessory powers, I guess, you know. So I'll give you guys like the key, turn the key ignition on. Everything works. This one's turns on all the gauges. Comes on like that. This switch turns on this switch as well, which is accessory power. And then this switch is here for these main switches here. This is the fuel pump. This is the fan, engine fan. This is the accessory fuel pump, and then this one's just going to be for the power steering pump. It's not connected right now, but yeah. So go ahead and give it a little start. This water temperature gauge isn't hooked up yet. I'm still waiting on the sensor. But this oil pressure is hooked up. So I accidentally pressed that. Fuel pump, turn on. And over here, we do have the light switch here. Everything works. I just have to finish wiring up the horn. This high beam works as well. So high beams, the wipers. I'm still waiting on the wiper motor, but everything's in here. Lights, switches, boom. You always want to turn on the fan. This is a phone charger plus voltage. Displays your voltage on there. So yeah, give it a little rev for you guys. Cut all power to this, cuts all the power, turn it back on, all the power comes back on. So this, boom, that's it. So still have to wire up a couple more things, but overall still looks a lot more cleaner.